Forget Google Assistant, your home's getting smarter with Gemini. Google just dropped a massive upgrade for your smart home. Meet Gemini for Home. It's a next-gen voice assistant rolling out to your Nest speakers and displays starting this October with both free and paid tiers. Powered by Gemini AI, this isn't Google Assistant 2.0. It's smarter. It actually understands context. You can say, "Turn off the lights everywhere except my bedroom," or "Set a timer that's perfect for perfectly blanched broccoli," and it'll do it. Packed with Gemini Live, it lets you chat naturally. No more "Hey Google" before every command. You can ask a follow-up without repeating yourself. Need help brainstorming dinner? It can comb your fridge and suggest a recipe. Planning a vacation or troubleshooting your dishwasher? Gemini's got your back. It's the kind of conversational AI Amazon's been pushing with Alexa Plus, only Google just took it to home court. Bonus, during the Made by Google event, a sleek new smart speaker prototype flashed on screen. Rumor is it'll launch alongside Gemini for Home later this year.